Hi, James and Jaicee got a new. What is this? A mat. Oh my.
2 hands.
Lucky guys, you always have surprise from Papa.
Use 2 hands, Jaicee. Hold it.
Okay, hold on, pull it. Nice. Because we get rid of our old mat. Kasi we use it outside for picnic. Ah, nice. You have to roll it backwards pa. Para mawala yung ano. Nice, James. James just woke up. And Jaicee is ready for her virtual school. Today is the first day. Oh my, I smell something good.
I'm trying to ask.
Move back nga. Papa will roll it in the opposite direction. Roll, roll, roll. That's right, James. You're right. Roll, roll, roll. Nice. Take out the book. Take out the book. Oh, bless you. Okay, we have to give room for it.
It's too big.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's open the other one. Here you go, James. For James.
And for me too.
And James also got Mega Blocks, 110 pieces.
You said thank you to Lord.
Wow, James. When you wake up in the morning, you have a lot of surprise. Lucky you. Nice. Wow. Nice. Ay, ay, ay.
Follow the instructions right here. See?
Ah, you can do whatever you
And a
want.
sticker. Ooh, you got a sticker.
Nice,
For your
James.
animals. Choo-choo.
Yay. Ooh, I like it.
Sticker.
Nice. I like this neighborhood. A lot of places to go. Oh, you want that? Oh, yes, Jaicee. James found the stickers for the blocks. Wow, I see the eye, James.
This is instructions.
I would make a big dragon.
Hey, you wanna make this one?
Wow.
I'll make this one.
Follow the instructions. You can make this one.
But I try to make that.
So this is the step. First you need to, number 1,
But
Yes, nice. What color is this? Nice. It's gray. Gray. Papa is ready to go to work.
blue, 2 blue,
So
yes.
before he goes to work, he opened the surprise
And-
with Jaicee and James.
One of this long one.
Okay.
One.
Nice. What color are this? Blue. Good job.
Connected like this.
Whoa, someone's reading instructions.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey!
It's okay.
Give me
There's a
the other
lot there.
one.
There's a lot.
Here. This is how you do it. Put like this.
But I don't think that's
Mm.
we got the other way.
Remember. Yes. Yes. Like that. What's the blue one? Thank you, James. Thank you.
Good job, James. Helping Papa?
Father.
There.
That's it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, sorry, mommy's
You big cake?
Yes. Okay, James.
Mama, Mama,
Oh.
Mama. Mama.
It's Papa. It's Papa. Mama's here.
Oh.
Okay, good morning.
Mistake.
Wow, you like your blacks? See, these ones are safer than you. For you, okay? Because this one is big ones. Yeah. I know, nice.
There's four of them.
Oh, yes.
Good job, James. You're lying down on top of the blocks?
Yes.
Good job, James.
Yes. Not yet.
Yeah, good job.
But look.
What is this? You see the fire truck. Widow. I see the fire truck. Wow! Oh, look! Oh my, this is Papa's favorite place. Hamburger store.
Look, there's twix too.
Oh yes! Nice. Choo-choo. Chugga choo-choo.
Oh, you get that part.
Choo-choo. Chugga choo-choo. Oh, are you tickling Papa's bum? Oh!
Number one.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Ew.
Oh yeah. Oh, what do your Papa move?
But,
Bum, I know. That's a bum. Bum, yeah. The bum. Is this something sticky? Nope. I know. Watch out, okay? Watch out the edge, okay?
Yeah.
Bum.
you need to clean this.
This is my bum bum. My bum bum.
I know. It's so funny.
Mama.
Where's Mama? You wanna touch Mama's bum too? Oh no! Oh, you wanna scratch my back? Thank you, James. Oh, look, Papa almost did it, Jace. What are you making, by the way? Which one is it?
Biggest play. Okay, I have to go.
Say bye-bye to Papa.
No! Don't look like a dragon yet!
Okay, Pops, finish it.
Too long.
Oh my, Papa said it's too long.
Later, I'll fix it, okay?
James, let's change your clothes now, okay?
Later, Jaicee, I'll fix it, okay?